All right. So, by the way, you are required. They said you are required to make a Kakao Talk account. Kakao Talk account. But unfortunately, I cannot make an account. It's very hard. So I messaged the admin. This is their email, englishlandsy.net. I messaged them, I cannot verify my Kakao Talk account. So they will send you uh, here, some tips how to verify, but I still cannot. I already made all of them. I cannot. And then hinayaan ko na. I guess wala nang pag-asa. But I received an email again. So here, good day. Are you available to have the first demo tomorrow? So I didn't make an account. You can do that. If you cannot verify your account, just email them and wait for this one. Good day. Are you available to have the first demo tomorrow? 12 noon. I said I'm not available. So we agreed on the study schedule that I requested, which is Wednesday. And then after that, they will send you this one. Here on the link, meron dito naka-attach the rules and notes about your demo and a sample video that you could follow. Yeah, and also their teaching platform. So that one, yeah. So until here lang yung i-share ko. I cannot show you the next one because it has a link for their platform and password and username. So this one, I will just read it for you. Yeah, here. Here. So first one, please use Google Chrome. Do not use other browsers. Browsers like in MacBook, like that. Ano ba yun? Safari. Yeah. So please use Google Chrome because they said sometimes applicant cannot open the link for the classroom, which is their platform. So again, use Google Chrome when opening their platform. If you receive this please watch the instructional video. Yan. Sa video, dun yung makikita kung paano ituro yung one. But I can help you with that. Then please watch the instructional video and then please prepare for your first demo class interview with the video. Applicants who fail to do so are less likely to pass, so please watch it carefully and apply it on the mock class. Yes, I practiced. Nag-practice talaga ako, memorize ko everything. But the thing is, this is what I'm saying a while ago, because of one important reason. You should you should type faster. Dapat mabilis ka mag-type. While they are talking, you are typing. Yeah, because it's a real-time correction. Yun. So, hindi kasi ako mabilis. So, please sign in with the given. So, this one. So, until here lang. And then, on the next slide, there is a link for the classroom. So, ganito na siya. You will see it like this. Their platform looks like this one. Wait, how to go back to this? Yeah. Your classroom looks like this. I mean, the Langdi classroom platform look like this. So, yeah. Ang ganda. And my class is this one. I don't know if we are the same. So, I will enter here. So, audio class lang siya. If you will start your demo, just click this one. If it's your time, if it's your schedule demo. For example, mine is 12. I called at 11:59. So, click the call. Just wait. And then may sasagot. Yun. So, this is their platform na. Yeah. So, let's see one by one the slides. I don't know if the same yung demo topic, but yeah, this is mine. And on my next video, I will show to you the demo, my exact demo. So this one, you will have greetings, but not too long, maybe 1 to 2 minutes. So yeah, hi, how are you? Like that. And then, don't mind that one. So next, it's 0.5 minutes. Purpose of this page aims to break the ice at the beginning of your class. How to teach. So please keep the icebreaker brief by greeting your student. Good morning. Yeah, it's in here na. So ask the questions below. How to check whether your student knows the key expression or pattern. No need for long explanations. So tip ko lang, if you will have the demo, don't read na that one. Just read this. Just prepare for this one. So can you guess how native speakers say this sentence? So they will tell their answer and then just copy that one and then paste it here, okay? Yeah, just paste it here and then send to them. So it's a complete na. There's just transparent here. Do you have plans tonight? And then, by the way, there is rules here. There is a rule, sorry. There is a rule here. Yung check, X, and OK. Dun ako bumagsak. I cannot type properly. So fast. I'm so slow when it comes to typing. Yeah, let's just wait. So, yun. And then, this is only seven slides. This one. Yeah. So, you should memorize that. Also, the typing. Kahit naman memorize mo lahat if you are slow in typing. Diba? So, dapat mabilis ka mag-type. Because you will correct the student. So, here, for the X, you should write X. You can also write this if it's hard. Sabi naman, you can write that one. So, it's acceptable. And check for the corrections and okay for students' acceptable sentence. I-discuss din yan before your demo. Yeah, just practice to type faster. Yeah. So, yun. And by the way, classes are considered as completed with at least 20 feedback messages. So, dapat nag-type ka ng 20, maybe 20 sentences like that. So, yun. And next one, it will look like this. Alright, so I guess that's all. I will continue this on my next video because my son is so sleepy. Yeah. So I guess that's all. I will share to you some tips, or I will show to you how to demo this one, how to demonstrate this in Langji. Yeah. So again, the tips, use a laptop or desktop. Please don't forget it should be quiet also, and practice typing faster. Yeah. And good luck to your application. Fighting.